I have absolutely no idea what's going on here. But the fire engine's here and it's shooting water into nothing. But it's all good anyway, isn't it? Wow, fire engine. That's just quite mad. Let's go have a look. Fire engine, Long Beach. It's not putting out fire though, it's just squirting water. And there's Long Beach Performing Arts Centre. Wonderful. All very groovy though. I think someone's taking photos up there. This is where all the tramps come to get a shower in the daytime in the heat. Hey, all good. And that's looking down Long Beach Boulevard. There we go, all good. Anyway, that's enough of that for today.